Hi, just wanted to do you a quick video tonight of a device that I've just had fitted to the camper. It's a new Android operated media center basically. It's basically like having a tablet on your dash. Here's an interesting fact. I paid 229 for this, but I've just gone back into the listing, and as you can see it's gone up to 429 now. And I think that's just simply for the fact that it knows that I've revisited it, and it probably assumes this is eBay assumes that I'm going to buy another one, and I'll probably just click on yes, buy another one please, without even checking the price. So 200 quid added on just for the fact that I've revisited the ad. So anyway, as you've seen there, it's booted up quite quickly into Android 9.0. It gives you a bit of a landing screen for the most popular apps. Let's say the radio, navigation, Bluetooth. Here it is firing up the sat nav. It comes with basically all the bits that you'll need. So the antenna, the GPS antenna, the software. It's quite quick. Radio reception is really, really good. It doesn't come with an antenna, but it does utilise the normal antenna on your car. It's a full DIN size, so literally if you've got a full DIN stereo, you should be able to take out your old stereo and put this one in place. I ordered the one specific for the vehicle that it was going in, which is the Mercedes Vito camper. And literally all of the connections marry up, so all of the connections on the steering wheel work, volume and track forward and all that kind of stuff. I've turned the volume down because obviously I don't want performing rights police coming down on me. But here we go, just showing you how you can scroll through the different apps. What's this one? I can't quite see the screen as I'm talking to you. Okay, so this is the DAB. So it comes with DAB/DAB Plus, and it didn't come with an aerial, so you do need a little box and an aerial, which in my case is nothing more than a little stick-on thing on the screen. Works really well, even in built-up areas. You can choose your favourites and different genres and all that kind of stuff. Uh, what else? Let's just wait until I go forwards. I'm actually doing the voiceover after the fact. I don't normally do this, to be honest. I normally actually talk while I'm doing the video, but I just thought for this particular one I'd do it afterwards. So what have I just clicked on there? Okay, this is Zello. This is kind of like a PTT app where you can talk to your friends live, like on a CB or an amateur radio. As you probably know, I'm into amateur radio. This isn't amateur radio. This is a bit different, but similar. You can also use this because it's Android. You can use it for all sorts of different apps like YouTube and TuneIn and all those kind of things. It also does tyre pressure monitoring as well, so you can install the app and you can buy the little monitors, and they go on your tyres and it will tell you exactly the pressure and the temperature of your tyres. Here we are going into YouTube, so yeah, you can watch video on it, you can watch YouTube. This is actually on my drive connecting to my Wi-Fi, but I could tether it to my phone and use the Wi-Fi off my phone. What else? Okay, this is a CD. I believe it'll also play DVDs if I was to put a DVD. It's also compatible with MP3s, so literally you just burn all your MP3s to a DVD or a CDR, put them in there, and happy days. Obviously it integrates with your mobile phone through Bluetooth, so you've got all your phone book, your speed dials, all that kind of stuff, and also because it's on Bluetooth you can play all of the music that's on your phone as well. What else? You can also go straight to, rather than doing it through the Bluetooth app, you can also go straight to your music. Here we are using a little program called Talk. This is talking to a little dongle that I've got plugged into the engine management system, which you can buy off eBay for a couple of quid, and it pulls in all things like the turbo pressure and the revs and the speed and miles per gallon and all that kind of stuff. What's this looking at now? Just trying to figure out what it's doing. Oh, I think they struggled to do this. I can't remember what it was now, but it does work in a second. You can see the way that the keys are illuminated in blue. They come on when your lights come on. So if you turn the lights off, then they won't be illuminated. And you can also change that illumination colour to many, many different colours. Ah, I think this was the TuneIn app. This is like IP radio, so it's using the 3G of my phone or the Wi-Fi. So this is about to play some, I don't know, some podcast or something or other. But again, the world's your oyster. It's Android. It's just like having an Android tablet bolted onto the front of your dashboard. So you've got all your messaging as well. You can do WhatsApp, you can do Messenger. Obviously, you've got your sat nav. We've seen that already. And also you can do things like Google Maps. I mean, the list is really endless. Um, what else can I tell you about this? I can't remember what I did actually after here, to be honest. Graphic equalizer. So the setup is just like doing the setup on your Android phone or tablet. You know, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, passwords, user accounts. So, for instance, you know, if you use Google Chrome at home on your PC or your tablet, it all synchronise. So all your favourites, all of your bookmarks, all of your favourite websites, they'll all go across. There you go. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was a nice little taster. And thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.